Lastly, we're going to look at the same equation, but a reflection across the y-axis. So if we have a reflection across the y-axis, what changes are, therefore, the x values are going to change. So kind of the opposite to what we just did. So let's look at our table of values, and I'm going to make another column. I'm going to put negative x. So I'm going to change the -2 to be a +2. I'm going to change the -1 to be a +1. 0 will stay 0. 1 will become -1, -2, and -3. So then I'll graph my new values, and my new values, here are my x values, here are my y values. And this is going to be h, so h of x. So +2, -10. So here's my graph. So as you can see, it was reflected across the y. So this point here came over here, here. You can see them being mapped there. Now, how does this actually impact our equation? Well, if you remember when we shifted right and left up above, that means we had to do something inside the parentheses. So the same goes here. So our f of x is going to become h of x, and it's going to become h of x by putting a negative inside of the parentheses. So anything that touches our x values goes inside of the parentheses. So let's take our equation, which is 2 -x minus 6. So all I did was I took the original f of x equation, which is 2x minus 6, and I made the x negative. And then I'm going to simplify, and that's our new equation. Again, don't worry, we'll talk about this in class too.